Phillips versus Pembroke Real Estate considered the legal protections of works of art installed in open spaces such as parks. Pembroke Real Estate was developing a public green space on the South Boston waterfront called Eastport Park. It commissioned sculptor David Phillips to build site-specific sculptures for the park. Phillips created 27 bronze and granite sculptures of hermit crabs, shrimp, frogs, and abstract shapes. He also designed landscape elements such as stone walls and paving stones. Phillips set the sculptures and other elements along a diagonal sightline through the park, with a large spherical sculpture at the center. Shortly after the park was completed, Pembroke decided it needed to be redesigned. British landscape architect Elizabeth Banks prepared a new design that would relocate Phillips's sculptures. Phillips objected and sued Pembroke in federal court, arguing that the placement of the sculptures was part of his artistic vision. He sought an injunction under the Federal Visual Artists' Rights Act of 1990, or VARA, and the Massachusetts Art Preservation Act, or MAPA. The court ordered Pembroke not to alter or move any of the sculptures along the axis of the park until the conclusion of litigation. Both parties filed interlocutory appeals with the First Circuit. In the meantime, the district court certified a question to the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court.